Now, install the batch number mold. First, remove the screw and cover above. Put the lower mold on and then center it. Center the mold on both sides. Then tighten the screws on both sides. Tighten the screws firmly. Next, install the batch number mold. Adjust the position properly. Then put the cover plate on. Then lift the mold up. After lifting the mold up, put the fixing screws in it. And then lock the screws directly. After installation, lock the nuts directly. In this way, the batch number mold has been installed.